Hello guys, today we see another array problem, maximum consecutive ones. So let's start. Here we can see uh, maximum consecutive one. So first what we do, we take user input and after that we create one method which where we go, write the code for maximum consecutive one. So let's start. First we import the util package, import java.util.star. uh, Another we additionally we add the scanner class here. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, and here we show user to enter the length of an array. Enter the length of an array, and here we store the length of an array. Int n is equal to sc dot next int, and here we write another output sop system.out.print system.out.println. Enter the array element, and here using for loop we paste the user data. For that before that what we do, we create one array. Int arr is equal to new int, and here we pass the length of the array. As we earlier take the length is n, so we pass here, and here we write for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and what we do, array of I is equal to sc dot next int. Here we whatever we got in that user input we store in the array. Now what we do, we create a method public static int max consecutive. Max consecutive. Here what we do, we pass the array int array and int length. We also pass the length of the array. And here what we do, we first we create int result is equal to, here whatever we return this method we pass here, or we call this method here and pass the array length, and here write the output. For the output we pass the result system.out.println. The consecutive one is maximum. The consecutive one is, here simply pass the result. Now what we do, we do this method. So first here array length of the array is given and array is given. Here we declare one result. Int result is equal to 0. Initialize one result, and we iterate for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here we initialize the current. Int current element initialized 0, and another for loop int. Here we start from 0. For first iteration we start from 0, first 0th index, but in second one we start from I. So int j is equal to I, j less than n, j plus plus. Okay. Now here we check the condition. If the current element is equal to 1, then we increase the current one, increase the value of current. Otherwise, we can break the loop. So right here, if array of j is equal to 1, then what we do? We simply increase the current, or else break the loop, and last we return the maximum one. Here uh, we return, before that what we do, if this is maximum or this result, we don't know which one is maximum because the result and current. So we find the maximum one and store it to in the result and return that. So here we write result is equal to math.max, math.max. Here we pass the result and current. Which one is the maximum? It is stored in result and simply return result. So let's run this. Enter the length of an array. So we let take 7, and here we put like 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Here we can see the maximum consecutive one is 3. If you see here, this is 3 1, maximum is occurring 3 times, but here you can see it is only one time. So this one is the maximum and the length is, the occurrence is 3. It is working fine. That's all. Thank you.